Area Pre-Intermediate English. Activity Unit 1, Assignment 1, Life Events and Future Plans by John Salazar. Hello everybody, this is me, John Salazar. I work in a coal mine called Drummond as a diesel mechanic technician. I live in a town close to the mine called La Loma in Cesar. In my spare time, I enjoy hanging out with my family. We love to spend quality time. My family is comforted by my mom, Mariela Correa. She is 77 years old. She is retired. My wife, Monica Solano. She is 43 years old. She is a Regen Pharmacy. My two children on my first home, Danilo Salazar Rodriguez. He is 16 years old. He is a fifth high school student. Nicole Salazar Rodriguez. She is 14 years old. She is a third high school student too. And my youngest son, Jonathan Salazar Solano. He is a 13 years old. And he is a fourth grade high school student. In our free time, we enjoy going swimming to the pool or to the beach, go to the cinema, or watch a good movie at home in family. In my last vacations, me and my family traveled to Cali. We went to Cristo Rey Hills and the Tres Cruces Hills. Those are beautiful and known places, and they have a great city view. There we took a lot of pictures, and we learned all about the Cristo Rey history. According with the history, our Colombia's Cristo Rey is bigger than Sao Paulo statue. In that occasion, we met many people, because at that place arrived people of different places of the world. To arrive to Cali, you can travel by plane, but in our case, we travel on our own car. I drove my car during 19 hours to arrive to Cali. In 5 years, I've already finished my career in degree English as a foreign language, and I'll be working in a university teaching this great language and putting my son's grain for educate this society and try to change the world. In 10-20 years, I imagine my life like a retired, traveling and enjoying with my family around the world with God's power, and knowing all about different cultures and gastronomy. Thanks a lot and blessing for all. Bye.